What's up? My name's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. If you hear my daughter snoring in the background, that is her. And that is my horrible fake tan. Ooh, ah. This is my brand new channel. I did this makeup look today. It is Violet Voss Berry Burst palette. It's like I said, it's not quality content, but it's content. It's a video. If you want to support my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know. Alright, here's the video. This is my little daughter Hannah, and she is rocking right now, which I always feel that I am abusing her when she's in that swing, but she likes it, I guess. Mother of the Year award right here. Alright, I want to try out some new products I got. The first one is Benefit Professional. It is the Pore Primer. I got a little size. And then I got this. I've never seen anyone talk about this actually, and it reminds me of a dupe of Tarte. This is Revolution Full Coverage Foundation. I love a full coverage foundation. I also got some Tarte Shape Tape, which is so overpriced. Maybelline's got some good concealers, and I usually use that, but I just wanted to see what it was about. I also got Voluminous Lash Paradise. It looks like that. I got Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. The Berry Burst palette by Violet Voss. I have tried it out in another video that I haven't posted because it was way too long. I'm trying to shorten this. Alright, I think that is it. Oh, I also got these lashes by Sephora. They're called Schwanky, and I just put them in here to hold them. Usually I use these Kiss lashes, but they are this one right here. So professional. Alright, I'm going to use this beauty sponge. It says RT on it. I do forget the brand, but they're at Target and Walmart. They're about $9 for 2 of them, so it's a very good price. First I'm going to take the Benefit Professional. Looks like that. Kind of like a light coverage foundation, it looks like. I'm going to rub some on my finger and put it where I have the most pores. It's very soft. Kind of greasy on my nose because I already have a greasy nose. I'm going to take my beauty blender and this Makeup Revolution, and it comes in this doe foot applicator. I'm not even sure if this is my color, if it matches up with my fake tan, but my daughter's talking a lot. It does look full coverage, but I think it's a little dark. They were out of my color, the one that I wanted to get, so I just got this one. I want to blend this in with the beauty blender and be back to put some Tarte Shape Tape on. All I do when I put my foundation on is bounce the beauty blender on my face and then just blend it around like this until it's fully blended in, and I really love beauty blenders. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in Fair. It's very light, but I just wanted to make sure I got a lighter one than my foundation, and I kind of went a little too light. I'm going to put some triangles on my face to lighten up my face, and that will help with contouring. Okay, and I'm just going to blend this out the same way by bouncing it on the areas that I have the foundation on. Wow, that is light. I look like some type of tribal person. So I'm going to blend this out. That is the saddest thing in the world. I'm sorry, but she is so cute too. Okay, to blend out the top of my eyelids, I just tap it out and press my fingers like on top of my eyes and kind of make sure there's no creases before I go in with powder to bake. It looks like that. And this color is translucent. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender, a wet one, and I love doing this because your makeup lasts like all day. Now I'm going to set my face with that translucent powder. Just dip it in and kind of go ham on it. Sorry, this is such a bad view. Actually, I apologize for this whole video. Okay, I'm gonna take it right here, and I'm gonna kind of set my face also with this. gonna take a fluffy brush, brush that around my face, leaving the powder under my eyes. My face is so light now. Alright, I know my face looks crazy right now, but once I bronze and contour, I just woke my baby up. Once I bronze and contour, it's gonna look a lot better, and once I wipe away the bake, it'll look a lot better. That butter bronzer on a big fluffy brush, and just kind of bronze my whole face without taking that bake off. And the reason I like to have some bake, some of the powder under my eyes is because it also catches any fallout from eyeshadow, especially if you're doing like a dark look. Alright, and I bronze my neck. And I go ahead and make a line right there. That way it gives the illusion of some cheekbones. I put it across my full forehead. My hair is so frizzy right now, I should not have blow dried it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that butter bronzer. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and bronze or give some definition. And I'm going to go into the side of my nose bridge and up to my non-existent eyebrows. It always looks better when you're finished. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go into this color right here, which these colors are the exact same color. See that? Exact same, so you're paying for two of the same colors. They might be like a half a shade different. So I'm going to go into this color, swirl it around, tap it off, and I'm going to go right into the crease on the edge. And first I put all the pigment in the far corner, and then I drag it to my inner eye. I can't speak English. And then I'm going to do circular motions and like drag it from right here a little bit under my eye and drag it halfway up on my eye. After I get that blended out pretty good, I'm gonna take this color right here and put it right under my eyes and blend that out. I think everyone makes the stupidest faces while you're doing your makeup. Oh, my back. Okay, I'm going to try to make this video very short. About this big fluffy brush, which is a M510. I'm going to try to use it for blending. I also got this Morphe brush. It is a Morphe M167, and it looks like that. I'm going to go into this color right here, get it packed on that brush, tap off the excess, and pack it on my outer corner. I'm going to bring it up to my crease to kind of make my lid look a little bigger. And then before blending that, I'm going to go into this color right here and put it into my crease also. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with a big fluffy brush. These brushes make a big difference. I really like this brush right here, the M167. Okay, now I'm going to go into that same palette. I'm going to try this pink right here. I did swatch the gold in it and it's very pretty. I want to use that somewhere. I think I'll use that on my bottom lash. I'm going to tap it on the center of my lid. Now I'm going to go into this light pink and I'm going to put it on my inner corner and almost in the middle too. Just pack it on there. Drag it to the middle because it needs to be brightened up. Now I'm going to take some glitter highlighter from Wet n Wild and I'm going to pack it onto my lid very quickly. Now I'm going to take that big fluffy brush and I'm going to wipe away the bake and all that eyeshadow fallout. I'm going to take that brown, I'm going to tap it and kind of do this movement right under my waterline. I'm gonna take this and go in a little bit closer and just retouch that up. I'm just gonna take this and go right into that gold, and I'm gonna go right in the middle under my eye. I'll go ahead and just take this bright magenta looking color. I'm gonna go get my daughter real quick. Oh, you got the hiccups. I'm gonna go ahead and start my brows, which is a long and torturing process. I'm gonna do this very quickly off camera. I got a little sweater on. Hannah needs some mommy time. Hey. Hi, baby. She's like a freaking doll. She is so pretty. Oh, look at all that makeup on my hand. Isn't that the cutest? It's a little bit big on her.
Baby shark, do 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 do.
This is the realities of having a little baby. I put her in a sweater and loving makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of like hating this Instagram brow thing now because it takes way too long. Look at that eyeshadow. Anyways, not that great. Okay, to get that ombre fade effect, I don't know what that was. This is what I do. I take the sponge and a little bit of translucent powder and put it on right there on my eyebrows. Oh man, that looks messed up. And I just press it in. She's looking at herself. That I've spent 100 years on my eyebrows. I'm gonna use Maybelline Stiletto. I lost this twice, like really lost it. The last 2 days. That's what it looks like. Bronzed up my face a little bit more, and I took some eyeliner and lined the upper waterline. I know some people get all cringy from that or freaked out, so I spared you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sorry, that was retarded. That was also politically incorrect. And so I'm gonna take some highlighter, that same Wet n Wild glittery stuff, put it on the top of my cheekbone. I'm gonna put some on the bridge of my nose and at the very tip, and at the top of my lip and on my lip, on my crusty ass lips. I'm gonna put some at the top, the bottom, and I'm definitely gonna blend that out. You see the glitter in the air? Probably can't see it, and I just look stupid. I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm so glad I got this eyelash clip. For some reason my hand just sticks up. What is that? Like always when I'm doing my makeup, I'm like this. What is that? It's like always ready for nothing. I'm going to use that Lash Paradise. Honestly, I did try it and it's good. I like it. I also like that butter bronzer. Is anyone else staying home? Please tell me there is. Oh, no. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes basically the same way. I hate that. Not a good look. Alright, I had to put my daughter to sleep. I think she's waking up now. The last thing I did was throw on some lashes. They're poking me in the eye, so I'm gonna take them off. Well, have a happy new year, and I hope you like this. Pray for me, and subscribe if you want to support my channel. Sorry about the shaking. My daughter's waking up. Bye.